Hey everybody, today is September the 7th, 2021, Tuesday. I hope you guys all had a great, um, I hope you guys had a great Labor Day weekend, a little bit of a longer weekend. I hope you guys had some fun with your family and friends and did some cool things. I was actually able to go up to Bloomington Lake and up above Bloomington, Idaho, and I fished for a while. My kids hiked around and it was kind of a nice little getaway. So, um, anyway, we're back at it. I hope you guys are doing well. All right. So the other day we went over page 194. You guys did the vocabulary for accept and also support. Okay. We know that accept means to be okay with something that is challenging or unpleasant. Okay. And then what is one situation that you have learned to accept? I have learned to accept the fact that I have trouble spelling. I'm not a great dancer. Okay, so sometimes we have to accept those facts and then we have to use them to work. We have to use our weaknesses to become strengths, right? Okay, the practice makes perfect. So then we have the word support, meaning to agree with an idea or person because you believe it is important or you want to help them succeed. Okay, what is one group that you support? I support the local food bank or I support the local youth club because this organization helps people in need or cares for children. Okay, so today we are looking at, we want to look for the key idea. Why did Booth kill President Lincoln? Use two details from the text to explain. Okay, so you're going to use two details from the text to explain why Booth killed President Lincoln. Okay, we're also going to identify central idea and details. Underline three details that tell how Booth felt about the South. Booth wanted to be a hero to people in the South. Write a sentence telling why Booth thought he would be a hero. Okay, so we're going to underline three details that tell how Booth felt about the South. And then Booth wanted to be a hero to people in the South. Write a sentence. Okay. All right, so those are the things you're looking for. All right, so as we read, John Wilkes Booth is a well-known villain, yet he expected to be a hero. Why did this man shoot President Lincoln? Why did he expect the public to thank him? The answers lie in the Civil War. On April 9th, 1865, General Lee surrendered. Booth was upset. He could not accept the South's loss. He shot Lincoln 5 days later. Booth grew up in Maryland. Booth did not fight in the Civil War, but he strongly supported the Confederacy. He was proud of his roots. He loved the Southern way of life. Booth also supported slavery. When Lincoln freed the slaves, Booth was furious. He saw that act as an insult to the South. In 1865, the South was in ruins. Booth blamed Lincoln. He wanted to punish the president. He killed Lincoln to get revenge. Booth felt sure the South would praise him. He even felt he might inspire people. He thought they might rise to fight again. That did not happen. Many Southerners disliked Lincoln, but the South did not rise again, and the public remembers Lincoln, not Booth, as a hero. Okay? All right, so why did Booth kill President Lincoln? Okay, I want you to use two details from the text. Okay, then you're going to underline three details that tell how Booth felt about the South. Okay, and then you're going to write a sentence telling why Booth thought he would be a hero. Okay, then down here, guys, so what they've been kind of trying to teach us is basically those syllables, right? Okay, so they want us to circle the vowel spots in each word from the text. So circling the vowel spots, that would be the E and the E, right? Okay, then draw a line to split each word into syllables. So we've got expect. Okay, expect. So you're going to draw a line between the syllables. Okay, we've got a U. Okay, and then we have an I. Okay, so public. Okay, so you're gonna draw a line between the syllables. Okay, let's see if this will work. Nope. I thought it might work to. Oh, maybe that will. Nope, it won't work. Okay, so you're gonna draw a line between those syllables. Okay, all right. Let's get page 195 turned in, and we will go from there. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Let's have a great week.